Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthday Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee, guys. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great day, you guys. I am in here designing a unicorn gift basket, you guys. So here I am just showing you the different items that I'm going to be using. The candy came from Dollar Tree. The unicorn nail set came from Dollar General. I paid 50 cents for it. The unicorn bear I got a couple years ago. I probably paid about 10 cents or 20 cents for it from Dollar General during the 90% off Valentine's sale. So here, guys, I am just wrapping up a regular piece of cardboard that I cut from a box, using this as a backer, you guys. This is just a prop for the back of the basket for whatever you want to lean up against it. Also, if you're doing high tower baskets or baskets that has different level of items that you want shown, this is a great idea to add a cardboard backing to the back of your baskets. Okay, so here I'm just covering the cardboard up. You can use gift wrap. I do that sometimes, or sometimes I just use gift tissue, whichever one is more at hand at the time. So I have stuffed the bottom of the basket or the box, as I always do, with newspaper, guys. And now I'm getting ready to prepare to start the basket. Okay, I realized that I needed one more item to go in there. But we're going to use this supermarket race game. I got that from Walgreens during the summer clearance sale last year, I believe it was. And I paid 99 cents for that. Okay, so really, really nice gifts that I only paid a few cents for. The highest thing in this basket is the $1.25 candy that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're just going in, guys. Whenever you have an item that has a peg holder on it, make sure that you clip that peg holder off. It's gonna give it you know, a more professional look. I don't always do it, you know, but sometimes I do. As you'll see, I left it on the candy because I didn't want to risk opening up the top of the bag. But for the nail polish, I took the little peg holder off the top. And now I'm just using transparent tape to go in and tape one item one to the other. And the tape will lift right off, guys, without harming the item. Well, the tape that I use, I haven't had any issues with it. And I'm just going in real nice and neat, placing all the items in the gift box. Okay, I'm trying to say gift bags, basket and box at the same time. When I say basket and it's a box, y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so we have everything placed in just as we want it, you guys. And all I got to do now is prepare to put the shrink wrap on. And someone asked today, do I prefer shrink wrap or cellophane wrap? It just depends on what it is that I'm wrapping. Of course, shrink wrap to me gives it a more professional look, but you can definitely use whichever one you decide to use. Also, once you learn how to wrap professionally, you can make the cellophane look just as great and professional as the shrink wrap. And because I'm normally selling online, bulk of my sales comes from on the streets. But when it comes to Easter baskets, I do sell quite a bit online. So for the most part, I will be shrink wrapping those that are able to be shrink wrapped. That way, if I sell it online before I go out on the streets, it'll already be wrapped in shrink wrap. When you are shipping, you definitely want to make sure that you're using shrink wrap bags or a shrink wrap roll for your items. You need to keep your items safe and secure, because even with you taping it down, once it get on the mail truck, it is not going to arrive at the destination the way that you designed it. So it would behoove you to use shrink wrap if you are shipping. Okay, all right, so I don't know what the heck I forgot about this time, but I forgot something else. I think it might have been ribbon. I don't know, I forgot something. But anyway, I stepped away from the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here with me talking. Oh, I forgot my shrink wrap bag but in my heat gun. Also, make sure when you are shrink wrapping that you do realize that you have to apply heat to get the bag to shrink. Okay, you have to apply heat. I am using my heat gun, but a hair dryer that heats up pretty well will do the exact same thing. If you'll see some of my older videos on my channel, a regular blow dryer was just what I used, and it gives it the same effect. The heat gun kind of, gets it a little bit tighter than the regular blow dryer, but if you don't have it, no worries. Just go ahead and use your hair dryer and get it like you want it. Okay, guys? So anyway, I'm going to stop talking, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, guys. Continue commenting, letting me know how you guys feel, what you guys think, what's on your mind, guys. Letting me know that, okay? I appreciate it so very much. And guys, until the next video, get your money, honey, and fill your bag. Bye-bye, y'all.